guys, Sandy Ingram here. Listen to this news report very carefully. Iraq's currency, more than likely, will be exchanged at the local bank, your local bank, or through the Forex market. However, however, the Central Bank of Iraq wants to go digital first. Let me repeat that. The Central Bank of Iraq's governor announced at a press conference that Iraqi banknotes will be eliminated and replaced with Iraq's central bank's digital currency. So yes, Iraq is planning on entering the global market. And this is not the first time that the channel has reported about or on this digital currency. And now the head of the Central Bank of Iraq has confirmed the bank's intention. Now, here's the problem. The IQD investors who are holding banknotes, more than likely Iraq will give a deadline or dates when banknotes can be exchanged for digital currency. That's not a problem. We've seen Zimbabwe and other countries do this. So that's a normal procedure. But those of us willing to travel for ourselves and for others, no problem. But here's the second problem. We would need access to bank accounts or some sort of process to exchange banknotes, our banknotes, to digital currency. Would they place the monies on a bank card? Would they wire the monies? What would be the exchange mechanism or procedure? Stay calm, and I'm talking to myself more than I'm talking to you. Iraq or no other country is in a position to exclude legal investors who are holding legal banknotes. They are already setting the stage to say that many banknotes are counterfeit, especially banknotes outside of the country. Yet the question remains, how will we exchange our banknotes for digital currency? Iraq or no other country can completely exclude cash transactions when tourism is involved. Before presenting the news report, know that this issue has come up in the membership, and there is a possible solution once we determine the procedures that Iraq will or will not allow. You will need to join the channel's membership and stick around in order for the membership option to be viable or workable. Here's the news report.
Iraq's central bank to replace paper notes with national digital currency in major financial overhaul. Iraq is preparing to make a bold leap into the future of finance. The country's central bank governor, Ali Al-Allaq, announced that Iraq is developing its own central bank digital currency, a move that will gradually replace traditional paper currency across the nation. Speaking at a press conference in Baghdad, Al-Allaq emphasized that this shift is part of a sweeping global transformation in banking. The world is undergoing radical changes in the financial and banking systems, he said, as reported by Baghdad Al-Yum. Among these changes is the global decline in the use of physical cash, with many central banks now transitioning to digital currencies. Iraq will not be left behind. The Central Bank of Iraq is actively moving forward with this transition. According to Al-Allaq, the bank is now working to create a digital currency of its own, one that will eventually phase out paper notes. This echoes a broader trend seen in leading economies worldwide, where digital money is taking center stage in national payment systems. To support this shift, Al-Allaq revealed that the CBI is also planning to establish a national data center to manage and secure the infrastructure behind the country's digital financial operations. "We are serious about digital transformation," he said, pointing to the CBI's growing commitment to a cashless, digitally integrated economy. While Iraq banned cryptocurrencies in 2017 due to concerns over criminal activity and terrorism financing, the government distinguishes its upcoming digital currency, issued and regulated by the central bank, as a secure and legitimate tool to modernize Iraq's financial system. This initiative aligns with Iraq's broader strategy to embrace digital payments, boost financial transparency, and reduce reliance on cash-based transactions. With foreign currency reserves exceeding $100 billion, Iraq has the financial capacity to support this modernization. The CBI's announcement arrives as Iraq is reviewing more than 70 digital banking applications and tightening its oversight by banning 5 local banks from US dollar transactions, signaling a clear intent to clean up the banking sector and build trust in its digital future.